Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Board Class 5 English poem Chapter 4 Skylark. First main, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where did the poet see the skylark? A. On the ground. B. Flying over the sky. C. In the nest. D. Between the earth and sky. Answer. Between the earth and sky. Question number 2. Why is the skylark described as a singing speck? Answer. The skylark is a small singing bird. It is a very playful and mischievous bird. It soars to the sky singing, which makes it appear like a singing speck, that is, a tiny singing shape in the sky. Question number 3. How are the butterflies described? Answer. While butterflies are dancing on the wing. Question number 4. Explain the meaning of these two lines in your own words. And still the singing skylark soared, and silent sang and soared to sing. Answer. The poet was observing the skylark. It soared into the sky, still singing, and then sank down to the cornfield in silence, and again soared high into the sky to sing again. Question number 5. What part of the day is mentioned in the poem? Answer. It is a sunny morning. Question number 6. What is the mood of the poet? Answer. The mood of the poet is to listen to the birds and observe nature. Question number 7. Why does the poet say, I knew he had a nest unseen? Answer. The poet knows that the skylark's off-come nest is hidden among the million stalks. Question number 8. What kind of a field does the poet talk about in the poem? Answer. The cornfield that stretches as a tender green. Question number 9. Which one does the poet enjoy most? The dancing of the butterflies or the flight of the skylark? Why? Answer. The poet enjoys the flight of the skylark the most because it attracts her a lot. Question number 10. Read the following lines aloud. You will notice the end rhymes. Answer. The earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn. A skylark hangs between the two, a singing speak above the corn. Wing, swing, walks, stalks, long song did slid. Now find the rhyme scheme in the following lines. And tell me now what makes the sing with voice so loud and free, while I am sad, though I am the king beside the river D. Sing king free D. Next, Skylark poem summary in English. The poem The Skylark by Christina Rossetti. She has described nature very vividly. She remembers one sunny morning when she heard and saw a skylark hovering, flying above the green earth and under the blue sky. It seemed to her that the skylark was hanging between the green earth and the blue sky. The skylark appeared to her like a singing speck above the corn plants growing in the field. The green earth appeared to her like a stage decorated accordingly in gay bright colors. The poet watched the butterflies which seemed to dance on their wings. The skylark soared high up in the sky, singing, and sank down to the earth silently, and then again rose up to the sky, singing a merry tune. The poet was walking along the tender green cornfield, and she believed that the skylark had a nest hidden somewhere among the million stalks of corn crop. The poet stopped walking to hear the skylark singing. She was so engrossed with the skylark that the time slipped by swiftly and the sun began setting down. That is, it was already evening. So she decided to go back home. She walks back home wondering if the skylark's mate would be sitting there listening to his songs longer than she did. So this is all about your notes of class 5 poem The Skylark. If you want the notes of other lessons, other classes, other subjects, kindly check the playlist of my channel.